Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to enable the line steering assist. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your arrows on your steering wheel, the left and right. So let's press, for example, the right arrow a few times to highlight the settings. Now press the scrolling wheel to confirm it and to open the settings. Scroll down to choose here the driver assistance. So let me go back to choose the driver assistance. Then let's choose the second option, which is line centering assist. Let's just press it. And as you can see, you can enable here the steering assist. Right now I've got this feature disabled, but if I press it here by using this OK button, by using scrolling wheel, I will enable the steering assist. So this is the active part of your car's line keeping system. So if the car detects that line markings on both sides, it automatically applies small steering inputs to keep the vehicle position in the center of the line. So it's quite useful, especially this is like the extra safety feature that you can use, and I really recommend to have this feature enabled. So that's it for this video.